Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the notification sound on iPad 9th Gen. To change the notification sound, go to Settings, then go to Sounds, and now you can find these different sounds. The first one is for ringtone, but the other one are for text tone, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and default alerts. And all of these can be changed, as well as the ringtone, by clicking on them and then choosing the notification sound you like. You can do that for all of these, for example, default alerts. And now it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.